Okay, I have my Google Sheet. All right, so you can see the Google Sheet over here. And I have just punched in a bunch of numbers, 1 to 12, you can see over here. And the idea of this 1 to 12 is to create the month like January, February, March, April, all the way up to December. But not by typing, right? By converting, right? By converting the number to the month. Now, in order to do that, I will need this. Okay. So first of all, let me show uh, how it actually work. Okay, I need to change this because this one is actually B2. All right. So let me just copy this into here and right, oops, here and put the equal. Right. And of course, auto suggest, so I'll just say yes. All right. And I got the March. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right. But how did it work? Right. How did it actually work? First of all, okay, I am using the date function to create the date. So can be any year, can be any date. This is the month. So I'm actually extracting the month number from a cell. All right, from the cell. Okay, so this will give me the date. Then I'm converting it to the month name, right, and place it inside the cell as a text. So very quickly, you can do conversion without having to retype everything.